everybody. Tara is the CEO and the founder of Temp-tations that we have loved and celebrated for 21 years.
I'm kind of up in your space. I'm sorry.
You know what?
All of a sudden, I'm like, why am I so close to you?
I'm such a weirdo. I don't mind when people stand close, so just forgive me. More than 25,000 of our 2x3 washable non-slip kitchen mat have been sold, but there's a lot of cool features to this one.
I love this. First of all, it's washable. It's washable, so you can put this right in your washing machine, which I love. So not only is the print beautiful, not only do you have this perfectly bound rug, but you have this technology. It's called the Gel Pro technology.
Look at that.
This is going to stick to your floor. So what's nice about this is you peel that plastic piece off. If you want to put it in the washing machine, this whole Velcro piece comes off, or sticky stuff.
That's so
right?
cool.
And then you can tell this just came out. Let me get my fingernail under there.
Atta
When
girl.
you're ready, this is what sticks. So you peel that plastic off. This sticks to the ground. When you're done, put that plastic back on. When you're gonna wash it, go ahead, peel this off, put it right in your washing machine. That's all you have to know. You have all four corners, so it's a non-slip comfort mat that has all of these beautiful colors and prints.
And it's a sale price of $27.26, and it's on free shipping and handling.
I love that.
How about we play a little hopscotch while we show the
do it.
colors?
This one's black.
Okay. Gorgeous.
This has some charcoal in it, and you really see the pops of the black in the flower. So I love this for an entryway, maybe your powder, your powder
right
room.
in front of the sink.
Yes, in front of the sink.
Yeah,
Perfect.
yeah.
I love this blue.
This
is beautiful. I love how each color kind of takes on its own personality.
I agree.
And I feel like rugs tell a story, right?
Yes.
Especially in your home.
And set a space. You know, we've got old world and floral lace represented in all. This red, though.
Everything.
Christmas, 4th of July.
Yes.
Everywhere
in your
between.
kitchen, every time. And I love the floral detail, right? We call this our classic. It mixes and matches our old world and our floral lace. But if you were thinking about putting it in anywhere in your home, it's just beautiful flowers.
Sunshine, happy
so
yellow.
Happy. Yes.
It's so good. Hey, let's hopscotch up here to the front to the taupe.
Neutral.
Only 1,000 left in the taupe. We have the gray right next door.
Look how beautiful that is. And I love the white there. And here's the deal. If you spill something on it, if it gets dirty, no worries, you get to wash it.
And 700 left in the gray. Then we have the confetti choice.
This is my favorite. This makes me very happy. And I love this, like maybe even in a kid's room.
Yeah.
Again, with all the different colors. And I just love any type of space you need.
The
greens you need to
and
put a rug.
roses there. Only 700 remaining there.
And then this beautiful
And
green.
if you want green, there are fewer than 100. I get it. It's spring. It's fresh. It's happy.
Yep.
By the way, we also have the runner. The runner size, 2 feet by 7 feet.
Yes.
Matches.
Nice. Yes.
It's gorgeous.
Yep.
It's K54491. We have that available in 5 colors. But on free ship day,
I love.
And the fact that this mat is just back in stock.
Yes.
I say, on free ship day, get more than one, especially when we have 4 easy payments of $682. But leading into the garage, coming into the house from the garage,
100%.
get 2 and have them
traffic
there.
areas that you know are going to get dirty. This is great, and the fact that you can stick this down, that was really important to me. Especially, as we get older, these slippery rugs, like they're cute, these accent rugs. But the fact that you can put this in place and not have to worry about it walking over time and time again. You have those little grippies on the back. That's going to help with that non-slip as well. So it's truly this whole system that works together, from the sticky corners that you can put down, remove those when you want to wash it, and then all of those little bumps. You feel that helps with that non-slip grip.
I get that. The one in your hands is the black.
Yes.
And that one is very popular in the show.
It's beautiful.
The one in my hands is the blue. You don't want to miss out on that one. I kind of want to get
sweet in a bathroom, actually.
Sweet in a bathroom, and I kind of want to get the red and the blue together.
Yeah, super fun.
Get out my patriotic Temp-tations.
I'm ready.
Now, we also have it for you in the yellow. If you're having a barbecue, this could be ketchup and mustard.
Oh, perfect.
Come on.
Hey, just what I was thinking.
Come on.
You took the words right out of my mouth. Nope.
There's your yellow. Then we have the taupe.
I love the neutrals.
Beautiful. 1,000 in the taupe. Here's the gray.
I'm going to grab the black because I want to show you the difference between.
We have $650 in the gray, but let's talk about that difference.
Well, I just wanted to show you, right?
Oh,
so the black, there you see, you have the charcoal backing, where the gray, you almost have like that dove gray. So
thank you for that.
Really pretty if you wanted to put those together also. They're fun to mix and match.
We also have the confetti, which is right next door. And you've inspired me because we only have $650 left there, but what if we played with some different colors? Wait a minute, the green?
Green and yellow?
5 dozen left in green.
That green is just stunning.
It's so pretty. It's $27.26. It's a
is
sale
amazing.
price. And I love how Temp-tations is getting us into this entertaining mode. Spring is tomorrow. We love our dishes.
Wow.
I know, spring is tomorrow. We can't get it to you tomorrow, but we can get it to you soon.
But we can get you in the mood for spring.
That's exactly
that we can
right.
do today.
But I love the fact I'm going to get out my dishes. I'm going to
refresh the
I'm
house,
going to
right?
yes, this is washable,
Yes.
so it keeps fresh.
Yes. I have mine on my leading out to my back door, and I also have it coming in from the garage. And what I love about that, it's high traffic areas. We have 4 dogs, so there's muddy paws coming in all the time. The fact that I can throw this right in the washing machine to wash it is amazing.
Yeah.
And I love what you're doing because you can tuck it away. Like if this is something that you bring out seasonally, there's a place for it. Roll it right up, you're good to go.
Maybe you are hitting the road this summer or this spring and you're headed to a rental property and you want to make sure that everybody, makes it nice so that you don't have to completely boil the house when you leave. Woo! You could take this with you, or I say you could even use this in the back of the car too in a pinch.
Sure, of course. As like as a trunk mat.
Can we talk about this one more time before we show the colors again?
This is the Gel Pro technology. What that means is that what you're going to do is when you want to go ahead and stick it to the ground, you're going to again take that sheer plastic off. That's so easy to do right now. Sorry, it's because I just got my nails done.
And we both are wearing lashes.
Mary.
It's kind of hard to see.
Mary, help
You
me.
sound like Lisa. Mary.
Mary. Well,
so there's
that part.
there's the hook and loop, but then that little gel cover. This is how you sticky it to your floor.
And there's 4 corners, which is fantastic.
I got it.
Thank
Almost
you.
got
See,
it.
she's
Almost
a
got
trained
it.
professional.
Sean's like, please make this end. Over 1,000 have been ordered in the show. Oh man, now I don't want to quit. But one of the, Sean said stop. Okay. So here's the deal. He's a girl dad, so he gets it.
He's like, please stop. Just please stop.
He can only fit so many minutes in an hour. Taupe is in the front and yellow. If we can widen out a little bit, I'll show 2 at a time. What do you say?
I love that.
So here's the taupe in the yellow. Here's the gray and the red, the one I'm standing on the blue. We also have it in confetti up top. And then we have the black that Tara and I are standing on. And the green has sold out.
Oh, it did?
Yes, it did.
You're going to love it. This is one of those mats you're going to be like, oh, I need a couple of these.
More than 1,000 gone. Free shipping is gone at the end of the day. I adore you.
I adore you too. And I want those earrings. So
you got them.
Call me.
K51229. Thank you, Tara.